Introduce highlight features or overview summary of ZORVYGO pressure washer. Consists of the following features. Engineered for unmatched durability, built with a brushless induction motor and ceramic plunger pump, core components designed for longevity. This combination ensures consistent high performance and a lifespan significantly longer than traditional pressure washers. Powerful yet exceptionally quiet operation, experience strong cleaning power without the loud noise. The advanced motor and pump system operates at a remarkably low volume, making it ideal for use in homes and quiet neighborhoods. Complete kit for immediate use, includes 3 nozzles, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, a 1000 ml foam cannon, a 17-inch extension wand, and a 5-meter standard garden hose. Everything is provided to tackle any cleaning task right out of the box. Ergonomic long-reach design, clean large areas effortlessly. The 10-meter high-pressure hose and long wand allow you to reach roofs, second-story surfaces, and expansive driveways without constantly moving the machine. Versatile and ready in minutes, features a standard garden hose connection for quick setup. The perfect all-in-one solution for deeply cleaning cars, siding, decks, patios, and outdoor furniture with professional-grade results. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.